Hello, hello. Welcome. My name is Greg. This is my YouTube channel where I create video edits that combine my love of skating, FPV drones, and making beats. Right now I'm about to show you a small little edit of some drone flying, chasing my friend Mike around at Hallover Pump Track, one of my favorite places to film. And it's a lot of fun. It's pretty straightforward. I hope you enjoy. Subscribe, like, do all the things that people do when they watch other people's YouTube videos. Any support is appreciated. More awesome video edits coming your way in this style. Yeah, stay tuned. Thanks. Bye.
I thought I had a bug in my eye, but it was just a sweat drop.
You're still around, you're still here. Well, thank you so much for sticking around. You made it through the whole video. That means that you are awesome. So again, give it a like, give it a little subscribe action, you know. And if you dig the beats from this video, you can check it out at udachi.bandcamp.com. That's where I keep all of my music. All my beats are not copyrighted with the system, you know, the YouTube DMCA system, so you can put them on your videos without fear of having a copyright strike. All I ask obviously is that, you know, maybe give me some credit, or, you know, throw a little support in the Bandcamp, throw a little money my way. But either way, even if you can't afford to buy the songs off Bandcamp, you could always message me, ask nicely. I'll just send you the Dropbox. You know, I'm more about people having resources and availability to be creative. So thanks again. Thanks for tuning in. Love y'all. Peace.